the amazing, incredible, talented Dr. Shinobe Aguilera. Tell us what you talked about today.
I'm very passionate about bio-related and functional aesthetic medicine. So the morning I talk about my 7-point technique with polylactic acid to imitate and maintain the architecture of the periosteum.
It was so beautiful. And my mama actually got to be one of the models for frontoplasty.
Oh yeah.
Looks incredible. I am here with Dr. Gal Aronov, and he just got off the stage.
We talked about how to safely use fillers in mostly the upper third of the face, but also how to be safe while injecting other parts of the face. We did temples, we did the upper eyelids, and we also did the radix and glabella area.
The upper eyelid was very impressive. Our model, beautiful woman already. She's very excited about her results. The incredible Dr. Lawrence Riskin from Beverly Hills. Such an honor to have him as part of our team here and faculty. Tell us a little bit about what you talked about today.
A comprehensive approach to lower face rejuvenation. I tried to restore them, rejuvenate them, which also is including lips and gum tissue. But really, what I talked about also was contextualism, basically how one feature of the face relates to another.
The amazing Dr. Terry Alford. I'm very fortunate to say he's one of the IAFA board members, and he just spoke on something that's incredibly important to all practitioners.
In the beginning, when we started doing facial rejuvenation, we were just in certain spots of the face, and it didn't really create a lot of problems. But then as we've progressed, we've gone all over, and more complications are starting to show up. The MCAS since 2014 has made it an absolute requirement that the doctors that come to their conferences have complication lectures. Being a director with the IAFA and having an opportunity to travel all over the United States and work with doctors like Jonathan Sykes, Dr. Kayum Karimi, Dr. Anil Rajani, and also the MCAS people over in Europe, I've sort of stole a lot of ideas.
Taking the best of the best.
Best of the ideas. And we've developed a cadaver anatomy course here. And this year is even better because we're now incorporating new technology, which is ultrasound mapping.